Guys, welcome to my new video. So in this video I will make a night lamp for the bedroom. So here I have taken an old USB cable. I have cut it just small, this much we want, because we want make like a pen drive. So here I have taken two LEDs, small LEDs. These LEDs come in 1 to 2 rupees in the local market, and this big LED, this is color changeable. This comes in 5 to 10 rupees. This is very cheap LEDs. So now I will show you the glowing. So here you can see this is my LED. This is color changeable. That will look very nice in the night. So it should not get much power. So I have taken a resistor. This lets down the power. This we will add, or you can add this big one also. I am adding small one. So I have taken a bottle cap, and I will add this LED, big LED on the top. I will make a hole and fit it, and small LEDs on the sides. So here you can see I have pasted. Now I will melt this plastic on the sides, this rubber plastic of the cable, because to fit it without the glue gun. So here you can see my one LED is done. My first LED is fit. Now I will make hole for the second LED here on the side. So here, as you can see, I have joined one wire of the LED to one side on the second LED. Now I will take one wire of the first LED which we have added to the cap, to the second wire of this, to the second terminal. This wire to the second terminal, which is coming from the changing color LED. So here you can see my second LED is added, and I have joined the. So I am left with this two wires. One is coming from big LED and one is coming from small LED. So now I will add my third LED on this opposite side, on the same side. So here you can see I have left with two wires which are coming from two LEDs. So I will just check that they are glowing or not. Now here I am. Now I will join this USB cable, one wire, to the one LED wire, simple LED, this side, one side of the LED. So guys, if you don't want to add any resistor, if you don't want to add any resistor, so it's not compulsory to add this green one, this green resistor. If you don't want to add, you can or cannot. It's your choice. So, and switch also is your choice. If you want direct, you can make direct. So I will show you first of all direct. Only direct I will show you. So I'm just taking third LED, and I will paste one wire of LED to this and one wire of USB cable to this. Then our circuit will be complete. And guys, it's not compulsory. If you are having only two LEDs, so you can add two, or you are having three, so you can add third one also. So I will just show you two setup, because one will just glow on the front, and one from the top. So I'm just adding top one and only two LEDs. So here you can see our second LED is also fit. Now I'll just join the last wire, and I'll paste the USB cable on it only, like a pen drive. So after pasting I'll come with you. So here it's working. Here you can see it's working, and the red light is also working. You can see it's also blinking with the help of this. Now I will just off the light and show you how it twinkles. I'll just off the flash also. Here you can see it's like a DJ light. So now I'll just paste it like a pen drive. So here I have pasted it. So now I will just put it in the charger. So how is it, guys? I'll just off the light. It's like a DJ light at night. So thank you guys for watching my video, and like and subscribe the channel if you like the video. So please like and subscribe. Thank you. and please press the bell icon also.